Hi everyone. What I'm about to show you is to put together one of the most simplest recipes for drinks that you can find in Barbados. One that people spend thousands of dollars to come from far and wide to enjoy, and it's so easy you're not going to believe it. It starts with some lime juice. Could be fresh or from a bottle. Fresh is much nicer, of course. Here we have some simple syrup. Simple syrup is just a combination of water and sugar, and if it's not available on the shelf in the supermarkets where you live, I can tell you how to put it together. The recipe is also on the website. It's really easy. And the most important ingredient of all is rum, from Barbados, of course. Nowhere else will do. And last but not least, water. And the proportions that they go in is 1 of sour, 2 of sweet, 3 of strong, 4 of weak. Right now we're starting with 3 ounces of lime juice, so it goes up in proportion like I just said. Here we go. So in with the lime juice, and then the syrup. So easy. As a matter of fact, it's so easy that you can make it every night. The thing is, can you handle it every night? 3 of strong, 4 of weak. Give it all a good stir. This is called Angostura aromatic bitters. In the event that you don't have access to Angostura, there are a couple other brands of aromatic bitters that will work. So you sprinkle a few drops. Well, when I say a few drops, I mean generous. And some grated nutmeg. And one more stir. And away we go. That's the end. See how simple that was? Some cubed ice. And you're set for the evening. Set. Cheers. Here's to your...